Hello, students. A very good morning to all of you. Hope you're all doing well. And this is a video about the upcoming CA Inter Study Hours and Revision Examination batches, which are likely to commence, which are going to commence on 28th of November 2022 for May 2023 examination. So, before I proceed, I request the students community to kindly share this video with your friends. My dear students, we are going to commence this batch not just at Guntur, that is central office, but also at all our branches like Vijayawada, Rajahmundry, Vizag, Nellore, Tirupati, Kurnool, and of course at Hyderabad as well. And since Hyderabad is a big branch, we'll be having this batch at multiple branches like Dilshuk Nagar and Amirpet. And the batch I just told you will commence on November 28, 2022, and our services will be up to April 30, 2023. Thereby, our services will be little more than 5 months. And the first revision examination will be on December 1st. I repeat, the first revision exam will be on December 1st. Dear students, if at all, if you are not comfortable to attend these revision examinations and study hours in physical mode, I mean to say in offline mode, yes, you have an option that is called Masterminds Test Series, where you can attend these revision examinations in online mode as well. And I'm going to tell the details of the MMTS also in detail in the next few minutes. And my dear students, now Masterminds Test Series are the study and revision examinations have become a household name for many CA and CMA students. And you'll be surprised to know that every year, near about 4 to 5,000 students will be taking the services of the revision examinations and study hours both in online and offline mode at various levels of CA and CMA course. So that's why I told that we are not just the pioneers, but also the leaders at national level in conducting the revision examinations both in offline and online mode. And my dear students, in case of Guntur, we have a separate boys and girls hostel facility. And of course, we have girls hostel facility at Tirupati, Vijayawada, and also at Dilshuk Nagar of Hyderabad branch. And what are the unique services that we are going to offer? I repeat, what are the unique services that we are going to offer uh, in case of the mastermind study hours and revision examination batches? So we are going to give a micro schedule. I repeat, we are going to give a micro schedule on day one itself that is applicable from day one to the last day. So what are the topics you need to read on day one, day two, day three, day four, day five, day six, day seven, day eight, day nine, day 10, like such? You'll be given a micro schedule on upfront basis, which is very much missing in many other coaching centers if they conduct the study hours and revision examination batches. And will conduct the study hours from morning 8 a.m. to night 9 p.m. Of course, with multiple breaks. And we even conduct the revision examinations on weekly twice basis, both on Thursday and Sunday and Monday. And in case of single group students, will be done only on once in a week, only on once in a week basis. In simple, in case of both the groups, students will be having revision examinations on twice a week basis. In case of single group students, will be having once in a week basis. And immediately after completion of the examination, I repeat, immediately after completion of the examination, unlike many other coaching centers and study halls or libraries, we are going to share the suggested answers also, so that so that you can have a self evaluation, which is very much required for the success of any student in CA and CMA courses. And my dear students, not just this, we even do the valuation of these answer sheets, and we even issue the evaluation report within 2 or 3 weeks. And in addition to that, we even issue a performance report to each and every student on customized basis. And guidance videos like exam preparation tips videos will also be played in the classes in case of offline batches. And of course, I'll be taking the motivation classes very frequently, not just me. Even I'm going to request the professional trainers or the professional motivators to take motivation classes occasionally. And we are going to conduct the revision examinations not just in descriptive mode, but also in but also on MCQ mode, but also on MCQ questions also, but also in MCQ mode also. And free rapid revision batch videos will be given as complimentary, which is again an unmatching thing. In case of both group joint students, you will be given rapid revision batch, of course, to if I'm right, 8 rapid revision batch videos will be given as free complimentary. In case the student take admission for single group, 4 rapid revision batch videos will be given as complimentary. Rapid revision batch videos are the videos where you can finish watching the entire subject within 20 to 25 hours. In case of a hostel students, we are going to play them in our hostel. We are going to play them in our hostel. And unlike many CA coaching centers or many CA study halls or many libraries, we even provide batch in charges, class in charges, campus in charges, and of course, admin and academic principles to maintain the discipline and to conduct the study and revision examinations in a proper manner. And supporting faculty will be provided for counseling of the probable failures. And of course, I'm not sure of this. We'll try our level best to make it happen. And And to my knowledge, it was given that the separate schedule is given for both group students and single group students. But to my knowledge, it is not correct. To my knowledge, the same schedule was given for both group students as well as for the single group students. And then, of course, in case of both group students, the students has to appear for examinations on weekly twice basis. And in case of single group students, the students have to appear for the examinations on only once in a week. And near about 150 examinations will be conducted for both group students, and nearly 75 examinations will be conducted for single group students, which includes the pre-final examinations also. And, sorry, my dear students, I'm proud to say that we have a separate manual itself for preparation of the question papers and suggestion answers. I repeat, we have a separate manual itself, a book itself, a manual itself, containing the rules and regulations for preparation of the question papers and suggested answers. See, by that you can understand how serious we are in conducting the revision examinations and study hours. Of course, the fee that we charge is very, 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 very insignificant compared to the fees that we charge in case of regular batches. As you all know that our admissions are predominantly more of regular batch. I mean to say the coaching classes. Whereas compared to the regular batches, our admissions for the study and revision examinations will be little lesser. So what we charge is more for regular batches. We take equal care for regular batches as well as for the study and revision examination batches. This is our brainchild. I'm proud to say that this is our brainchild. That's why I had told that we are not only the pioneers, but also the national leaders in conducting the revision examinations. And my dear students, if at all if required, you can even take the coaching for selective subjects and you'll be given a huge amount of discount. And even for selective subject coaching to online mode, various formats are available and the details I'm going to tell you later. So for example, you'll be given 6 months validity with 1.5 views option and of course 1 month validity with 1 view as an option. And this facility is again available in CMA Inter in regular batch mode and crash batch mode. And again, this facility is available in CA Inter in regular batch mode and crash batch mode. So what's the difference between regular batch and crash batch? For example, accountancy will be taught for more than 200 hours in case of regular batch. And the same subject accountancy will be taught only for 125 hours approximately in case of crash batch. That's the main difference between regular batch and crash batch. If at all, if you want to have a detailed coaching, even on subject-based basis, you can go for regular batch videos. Okay, let me continue. Highlight is CRS facility. Complete residential system is available both for boys and girls in case of Guntur. And the most probable campuses are, it is more likely that in case of boys, the campus will be Shantiniketan And in case of girls, the campus will be Ruchita campus. Of course, it is almost 99% sure. There's 1% probability that there could be a change. That there could be a change. Boys hostel is going to be Shantiniketan, and girls hostel is going to be Ruchita campus. And there's a small adjustment. Since CA foundation examinations are not yet over, as of now, CA foundation students are there in Shantiniketan campus. Soon after completion of the CA foundation examinations, probably after December 25, the boys hostel students will be shifted to Shantiniketan campus. Okay. My dear student, the fee will be 23,000 in case of both group students and 21,000 in case of single group students. I repeat, 23,000 in case of both group students and 21,000 in case of single group students. And hostel fees is approximately 6,000 per month, including the Dobi charges. Including the Dobi charges. His hostel fees is 6,000 rupees per month, including the Dobi charges. And after the announcement of the CMA inter results for the January 2022 examination, 23 examinations, we are going to have a separate batch for CMA inter 30% revision examination batches as well. And of course, we have a concept called the free doubts clarification telegram group for CA inter and CMA inter students. Irrespective of the admission into masterminds, you can have an access to this telegram group for availing the free doubts clarification services. I'll just show you that. So this is a group masterminds for CA and CMA inter doubts clarification. Near about 4,000 plus students are availing this facility as of now. And you can search this in Telegram. You can search this in Telegram search bar. Okay, let me continue. And our helpline numbers are 98851250001 and 03. And you can reach me at msnmohan2013 at the rate gmail.com. My dear students, before I conclude with respect to the CA inter studies and revision examination batches, I'd like to throw some light with respect to the major differences between the study hours and revision examination batches that we conduct in offline mode with that of study hours and revision examination batches that will be study hours and revision examination batches offered by some other CA coaching centers or some other study halls or some other libraries. So in case of masterminds, students will be allotted a classroom for a similar group of students. Students will be allotted a classroom for a similar group of students. Say, for example, if it is a CA panel, the students of only CA panel will be allotted a will be allotted a classroom. In case of CA inter, the students of CA inter will be allotted a classroom. And if it is not possible, we may provide a combined room for CA inter and CA final students. And of course, we are not going to allow any other student like those students who are preparing for BTech examinations or any other competitive examination. In simple to say, unlike some study halls, unlike some private CA coaching centers, or unlike some libraries, our study hours and revision examination facilities are limited to only CA and CMA students. So like-minded students will be given an access to study hours and revision examination batches. And we even provide a revision schedule, which may not be available with many other study hours players or study hours service providers. We give a schedule that is called micro schedule containing the entire schedule from day one to the last one. We even provide the revision examinations. Yes, absolutely. That is missing with many other CA coaching centers or many other study halls and many other libraries. They just conduct study hours, they just show you a classroom, they allow you to sit and study on your self basis. Whereas this is totally different. Our concept is totally different. You will be monitored by class in charges, batch in charges, campus in charges, and of course, for admin and academic principles also. You will be monitored, you will be guided, you will be motivated by a proper environment. And apart from that, we even conduct the revision examination. So our services will not be confined to just conducting the study hours. We even conduct the revision exam. And again, our services will not be confined to conducting the revision exam. We even provide the suggestion. And again, our services will not be confined to providing the conducting the revision exams. We even provide you the valuation report and the performance report. And definitely all these things will not be available with many other CA coaching centers or many other study halls or libraries. Yes, we even conduct the examination supporting classes like preparation tips classes or the guidance classes by the concerned faculty or by our academic head, Mr. Prakash, who is a senior chartered accountant in the CA coaching industry, having an experience of more than 20 years. And of course, I'll be conducting the motivation classes, not just me. I'll be calling some professional trainers or professional motivators to conduct the motivation classes occasionally. And I'll be conducting the motivation classes regularly, and I'll be calling the professional motivators occasionally to conduct the motivation classes. May not be available. This facility may not be available with many other studies and revision examination service providers. And my dear students, not just the offline, there are many differences and many unique features with Masterminds test series. I mean to say the online revision examinations with that of the revision examinations or test series that are available in a plenty of number in market. So I'd like to have a comparison with Masterminds test series versus some other test series that are available in market. First one, our test series are backed by the physical study hours and revision examination. Our test series are backed by the coaching classes also. So we are not just confined to online providing online revision examinations. We do conduct the coaching classes and we do conduct the physical study hours and revision examination batches. The performance of those players who are conducting not just online revision examinations but also offline revision examination and also the physical coaching classes will be predominantly more compared those service providers compared to many such service providers who provide only the online revision examinations or test series. And we provide a fixed schedule. Say, for example, in case of some other test series, they provide the question papers. They provide the question papers, and you'll be allowed to appear for those examinations at your convenient. And they name it passionately, they limit passionately in by a different name called unstructured study hours or sorry, unstructured revision examination. Of course, that may be good in case of some students, but definitely it will not be supporting for many students who don't have a self-discipline. Whereas in case of Masterminds test series, we give a schedule on upfront basis containing the day one to the last day schedule. Say, for example, what are the topics to be revised by a student on day one, day two, day three, day four, day five, day six, day seven, day eight, etc., 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 etc. Conduct the revision examinations at a fixed time on a fixed date, on a fixed day, at a fixed time, on a fixed day. In case of in case of both group students, exams will be conducted on weekly twice basis. In case of single group students, exam will be conducted on weekly once basis. And the level of the standards of question papers, yes, they do differ in case of Masterminds. In case of Masterminds, the level of the question papers are far superior. It is only for the reason that they will be prepared they will be prepared under the supervision of the senior faculty who have been teaching the CA classes or CMA classes since from many years. That's why I've been telling you our services called test series are backed by the physical coaching classes also. That's the reason our quality of question papers and the quality of our suggestion answers and the quality of the valuation will be far better. And we have a team of nearly 250 valuationers. We have a team of nearly 250 valuationers to offer the valuation services for those students who even appear for the revision examinations in online mode. And my dear students, immediately after completion of the examination, we even share the suggestion answer. Is it not a unique one, which is missing with many other test series providers? We even do a valuation of your answered sheets, and we even share your answer valuation report, and we even share a performance consolidated report, which is again a unique, support, which is being offered, by Masterminds, and which is missing with many other test series providers. And still you have any doubts, please do call at our helpline numbers 9885125001 and 03. I request the students again to kindly share this video and subscribe our channel if you haven't done it till now. Thank you. I'd like to throw some light on the achievements that we have made at CA Inter and CMA Inter and CA Final and CMA Final level. Let me start with the last a minute students. Let me start with the CA Inter and of course the IPCC, the whole syllabus. Our students are secured more than 100 ranks. I repeat, more than 100 ranks, which exactly comes to 102 in the last 9 years. So average number of ranks that have been secured by our students each year is more than 10, at IPCC and CA Inter level. And alone in 2022, I repeat, alone in 2022, our students have secured the following All India ranks at CA Inter new syllabus and old syllabus. In CA Inter new syllabus and old syllabus, which includes All India first, 8th, 10th, 10th, 29th, 32nd, 35th, and 44th and 47th ranks. And last year, 2021, sorry, yes, last year, 2021, February 2021 or March 2021 results. I'm talking about the March 2021 CMA Inter and CMA final results. As you all know that in CMA Inter and CMA final, only 50 ranks will be announced on pan-India basis. Of course, the same rank will be allotted to multiple students if they are secured the same marks. And you'll be surprised to know that you will definitely appreciate the efforts being put by our team members and of course, the achievements made by our students as well. So our students are secured All India first and All India second, and apart from All India first and second, our students are secured 98 All India ranks. And please do note that these are not our lifetime ranks. Our students are secured 98 All India ranks at CMA Inter and CMA final level alone in a single attempt, the results of which have been declared in March 2022. And coming to the September 2022, sorry, March 2021, and coming to the CMA results that were declared in September 2022, our students have made a record, an all-time record. Our students have made an history. Our students have made an history, an all-time record. And they have set a kind of record which is not so easy for anyone else to break it. Even it's not so easy, honestly speaking, it's not so easy even for the Masterminds team also to break it. They have set such a tallest record, such a greatest record. Our students are secured All India first and All India second, and apart from All India first and second, our students are secured 86 All India ranks in CMA Inter and 39 ranks in CMA final. Put together 125 ranks, and let me repeat, these ranks are not our lifetime ranks. All these ranks have been secured by our students in a single result that was declared on September 27, 2022. I'm proud of you, my dear students. Now coming to CA final, our students are secured 49 All India ranks in the last 5 years, which amounts to more than 10 ranks a year. I repeat, more than 10 ranks a year on an average, and which includes the following 3 single-digit ranks that have been secured in 2020 All India first, 2019 All India fourth, and 2018 All India 9th rank. And apart from that, our student by name Guru Bhaskar has secured All India first rank in CMA final 2020, and I just told you Nikhil has secured All India first rank at CMA final level in 2021 March, and apart from that, recently, Govardhan, our student by name Govardhan has secured All India second rank in CMA final 2022 results as well. And not just this, our students have secured 7 All India first rank in just 3 years. I repeat, in just 3 years. Please do note that these are not the ranks that have been secured at state level. These are the All India first ranks. These are not the ranks that have been secured at inter MEC or CEC level. These are the ranks secured. These are the ranks secured at CA and CMA courses, and these are the ranks. Also note that these are not the ranks secured in our lifetime. These are the ranks being secured by students in just a matter of 3 years. In just a matter of 3 years with a hat trick. Our students are secured all India first rank for 7 times. For 7 times, which is again a remarkable achievement, history itself. And it happened in February 2019. Happened in February 2019. You can find the same even in our Masterminds per CA official Facebook page, even now also. As much as 2,110 students are qualified CA Inter and IPCC, either both groups or single group, in a single shot. In a single shot. This is part 1, containing 33, 34, 35, 36 pages, and part 2, containing 28, 29, 30, and 31 pages. Put together near about 70 pages, which includes the details like hall ticket number and name of the student. We have been so transparent. And we are not just proud with respect to the ranks that have been secured by our students, we are equally proud with respect to the number of passouts. Alone in February 2019, more than 2,000 students are passed out. More than 2,000 students are passed out from Masterminds either for Group 1 or Group 2 or both. And this is the photo session. This is a photo session that were held in May 2019 and November 2019 session. Yearly we'll be having 2 sessions. Yearly we'll be having 2 batches. So May 2019 and November 2019, we have near about 41 batches. Sorry, just a minute. Sorry, let me continue. By mistake, I gathered the CA final photo session photo. Okay, image. Now let me show you the photo session. The image of the CA Inter photo session that was conducted in May 2019 and November 2000. So yearly we'll be having 2 batches and yearly we'll be having 2 photo sessions as well. So put together in May 2019 and November 2019, you'll be surprised to know that 61 batches are there at for CA Inter and CMA Inter. Out of that, 49 plus 1 plus 1, near about 52, near about 10 batches, we are not able to conduct the photo session for the reason that there is an outbreak of corona. Suddenly, with the outbreak of corona, we asked the students to immediately leave the campus and to go there to hometown. So it is for that reason we could not have the photo session for near about 10 batches. For the rest of the 52 batches, these are the photos. And you can find these photos even now also in our Masterminds per CA official Facebook page. And this was the gratitude being shared by one of our students in the recently declared results. He qualified as CA final. So after the announcement of the results, this is the way of conveying the gratitude. One of our students has sent a message to me. Mohan sir, I qualified. So not CA final, it is CA Inter. Sorry, please accept my apology. Mohan sir, I qualified my CA Inter in today's results. And he quoted a quotation, Kavali CA, Ravali Guntur, Cherali Mana MM. Yes, now Guntur has become a sentiment for many CA students. It has become a household name for many CA and CMA students. Now it has become a sentiment. And I hope you might have watched the recent video I made. Recently, our Vice President of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India made an official visit to the Guntur branch, and he quoted that Guntur is like a quota of Rajasthan for CA course. You all know that Kota is very much famous for IIT courses. It's there in Rajasthan. Guntur is like a quota of Rajasthan. In case of Kota, that is famous for IIT coaching. Whereas in case of Guntur, now it is famous for, in case of Guntur, it is famous for CA and CMA coaching. And the probably we haven't decided, probably the most probably the CA Inter Group 1 and Group 2 crash batch and Group 2 regular batch classes are going to be conducted in this campus by name Pavanaputra campus. This is called the study campus. And I just told you, after finishing your syllabus, we are going to shift you to CRS system, complete residential system. In case of boys, it is likely to be Shantiniketan. In case of girls, it is likely to be Ruchita campus. So this is a visual of the Shantiniketan campus, consisting of C block, A block, B block. Most probably, you will be asked to stay in A block. And my dear students, before I conclude, so I'm seeking you another 5 to 10 minutes of your valuable time. Before I conclude, Don't give more importance to our ranks. If you want to take admission in masterminds, give more importance to our commitment, our experience, and dedication. Rather than giving more importance to our ranks, you please give more importance to our experience. We have completed 20 years of successful journey. To my knowledge, subject to correction, there is no other CA coaching center in South India which completed 20 years of successful journey in CA and CMA coaching. And as we all know that we have been providing our online classes since from 2020, post-pandemic, through a facilitator by name Class Plus team or Class Plus app. It's a leading edtech company on pan-India basis, and to my knowledge, subject to correction, they have been providing this technical support to not less than 15 to 20,000 educational institutions on pan-India basis to sell their online coaching classes. And my dear students, with the support being extended by the students community and support being extended by our team members, we have been ranked as one of the top 3 coaching centers on pan-India basis. I repeat, we have been awarded as a top 3 coaching centers on pan-India basis in online mode. And 2022 is like a year of awards. 2022 is like a year of awards. Masterminds team has secured the most prestigious awards both at national level and state level in 2022. In 2022, I'm sharing few of those awards. And without the support being extended by the students, parents, and our team members, this would have not been possible. I'm absolutely conveying my unconditional thanks to all our team members, students, and of course, the parents as well. And I'm happy to share that our Masterminds YouTube channel has crossed more than 50 lakh views. More than 50 lakh views. And recently, we have started another dedicated YouTube channel by name Masterminds for CA and CMA English channel. Only the English content will be uploaded in this YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed this YouTube channel, please do subscribe. And also, if you haven't subscribed to our main channel, which is titled as Masterminds for CA and CMA, you please subscribe. You'll be able to get you'll be able to have an access to many free content, many valuable free contents, many valuable free contents. Just a minute. I'll just join within 10 seconds, not even a minute. Coming to the details of the MPM. My dear students, it's like a sensation. It's like a sensation. Uh, Honestly, even I too haven't expected that this will be a grand success. So the response from the students community is so superb. That is absolutely more than what we expected, and many times that is absolutely more than many times what we expected, much more than many times what we expected. In case of CMA Inter, sorry, in case of CA Inter, which is called as monthly payment mode, otherwise called as subscription model also, or subscription mode also. On a payment of 1 month subscription fees, the students will be given access for access for the videos for 40 days. I repeat, for 40 days, which is again unusual, which is again exceptional. For a payment of 1 month subscription, you will be given access to 28 days or 30 days, which happens usually. But whereas in case of Masterminds, for a limited period of, as a limited period offer, we are going to give the videos access for a period of 40 days. And this MPM is available in 2 versions, which is called as basic version and premium version. In case of premium version, on a payment of just 5,000 rupees per month, you will be given access to 800 hours of group 1 or 700 hours of group 2 coaching classes. In case of group 1, it is more than 800 hours, near about 850 hours. Okay. So say for example, say if you are not interested to invest that much, if it is not affordable for you, then you have another subscription model also, another payment mode also, another plan also, which is called the basic version. On a payment of just 3,000 rupees per month, you'll be given access to group 1 or group 2 coaching classes, which are to an extent of 550 hours. So premium version, near about 850 hours of group 1 or 700 hours of group 2. Basic version, 300 hours of group 1 or 300 hours of, basic version 550 hours of group 1 or 550 hours of group 2. And material will be shared in PDF form. Material will be shared in PDF form. And let me repeat, for a payment of 1 month subscription, you will be given access to videos for 40 days. Is it not a great thing we are doing? Yes, thanks a lot. Let me continue with the CMA Inter also. The same monthly payment mode is available for CMA Inter aspirants also. In case of premium version, you'll be given access to 850 hours of group 1 and 565 hours of group 2 on a payment of 5,000 rupees per month. So please do know that this 5,000 rupees per month is per group. Is per group. Suppose, say for example, you have made a payment of 5,000 rupees, you'll be given access to either group 1 or group 2 videos. And the same CMA course is available in a different mode called, different plan called, payment plan called basic version. On a payment of 3,000 rupees per month, you will be given access to 450 hours of either group 1 or 450 hours of either group 2. And even in this case also, materials will be shared in PDF form. And one more important thing, my dear children, all these will be subject to a GST of 18%. Wait. We are not going to collect the same from the students' community. We are going to make the payment of the GST out of our pocket. Out of our pocket. Say, for example, this is a model invoice. We have made a payment of 1,40,000 for our supplier. And on that 1,40,000, our supplier have collected 18% GST, which amounts to a total of 1,64,000. So in case the supplier is collecting the GST from the buyer, it will be shown as like this. It will be shown as like this. So 140 added by GST, a total of 1,65,200 rupees. Whereas this is the invoice that we issue for those students who take admission in CPB mode, physical batch mode. We have collected 5,000 and we have given the GST invoice. Meaning to say that we are not going to collect anything from the students community in the name of GST. On the other hand, we are going to make the payment of GST out of our pocket. Without collecting the GST from the students community, we are going to make the payment of GST out of our pocket. I'll just show you the evidence. Recently, in the month of November 2022, we have made a payment of 66 lakhs approximately for the AP operations in the name of GST. Whereas in case of Telangana operations, near about another 4 lakhs, which amounts to put together 70 lakhs. So 70 lakhs is the amount of GST that we have made. We have paid to the government of AP and Telangana as well as the central government without collecting the same from the students community. And of course, you all know that GST is a kind of indirect tax which need to be collected from you, which need to be borne by you. Is it not a great service? Is it not a great support we are extending to the students community? Yes. Thanks for acknowledging. Thanks for appreciating. And the last one, we are going to end within 1 or 2 minutes. Okay. So coming to the subject-wise coaching. So these are the details. CA Inter Crash Batch coaching is also available on subject-based basis. Say for example, if you want to buy the videos of the income tax alone, they are available for sale at just 1,500 rupees. And the income tax will be taught within 100 hours since it is a crash batch with validity of 1 month and with one view option. So these are the details of CA Inter Group 2. Say for example, auditing. The entire auditing will be available for sale at just 2,000 rupees. And auditing will be finished in 85 hours since it is a crash batch with 1 month validity and with one view option. Say for example, you want to buy the same subjects with a longer validity period. In such a case, income tax is available for sale at 2,000 rupees with 6 months validity, 1.5 views option. See, the duration of the coaching is same. 100 hours is the income tax. Here also it is 100 hours. But the longevity, the validity will be for a little longer period. And the views option will change. In case of the first one, it is one view. Now, in case of the later one, it is 1.5 views. Say, for example, auditing. The same auditing is available for 2,000 rupees with 6 months validity with 1.5 views option. Okay. Now, coming to the regular batch mode of coaching. See, as you all know that by this time you might have come to a conclusion. What's the difference between the crash batch and the regular batch? Say, for example, income tax. In case of crash batch, it will be taught in 100 hours. Whereas in case of regular batch, it will be taught in 180 hours. My dear students, it is exclusive of GST subject. We are going to teach income tax alone for 180 hours. With 1 month validity, one view option is available for sale at just 2000 rupees. Same is the case for Group 2 CA Inter regular batch videos also. CA Inter videos also. And same is the case with Group 1 and Group 2 regular batch videos with a different validity period of 6 months and 1.5 views option. 6 months and 1.5 views option. So earlier, in case of income tax, regular batch videos consisting of 180 hours is available for sale at just 2000 rupees with 1 month validity and one view option. Now this time, the same is available for 5000 rupees with 6 months validity with 1.5 views option. And my dear students, similar is the case for CMA Inter students also. Let me show the flyers of the CMA Inter also. Hello students, and here are the details of the CMA Inter as well. CMA Inter subject-wise coaching. With one view and 1 month validity, the following subjects are available for sale at a following fee. Take an example of cost accounting. Cost accounting will be taught for 220 hours and it is available for just 3000 rupees with one view and 1 month validity. So these are the details of the group 1 and these are the details of group 2. And some of the students may be interested to have a longer validity period. In such a case, so these are the details. You see, by mistake, it was printed as 12 months. In fact, it is 6 months validity. So 6 months validity course is available in case of cost accounting for 8,000 rupees. For 8,000 rupees with 1.5 views option. Similarly, CMA Inter Group 2 subjects are also available for sale on subject-wise basis with 1.5 views option with 6 months validity. Again, there's a mistake. Instead of 6 months, it was shown as it was typed as 12 months. It was typed as 12 months. I'll just show you a comparison. In case of cost and management accounting and financial management, it is available for sale at 8,000 rupees, which will be taught for a duration of 140 hours with 1.5 views option with 6 months validity. Same regular batch content. The same regular batch content of 140 hours is available for sale with 1 month validity with one view option at just 3000. So the choice is yours. The choice is yours. Apart from that, the same CMA Inter subject-wise coaching is also available in crash mode also. So these are the details of the regular batch. For example, the financial accounting will be taught for 225 hours in case of regular batch, which will regular batch in the sense regular batch in the sense the coaching will be in detail. The same subject will be taught for just 150 plus hours in case of crash batch. So the crash batch videos are available with 6 months validity with 1.5 views option at the following prices. So 4,000 is applicable fees. The same subject of financial accounting with 150 hours of coaching, which is otherwise called as crash batch coaching with 6 months validity, is available for 4,000 rupees. The same subject is available for 9,000 rupees with the 6 months validity also. I just told you it was printed by mistake. It is only 6 months. So then what's the difference, sir? Here you are selling it for 4,000. The same subject is you are selling it for 9,000 rupees. There are two differences. In case of regular batch, it will be taught in detail. You can see it is taught for 224 hours. In case of crash batch, it is taught for 150 hours approximately. 150 hours approximately. Of course, that's the only difference. By mistake, I told you that there are two differences. And same is the case with CMA Inter Group 2 crash batch also. CMA Inter Group 2 crash batch videos are also available for sale at the following prices with 1.5 views option with 6 months validity. Again, please accept my apology. There is another mistake. Instead of crash batch, they have typed it as regular batch. This is CMA Inter crash batch. Take an example of cost accounting or cost and management accounting. Will be taught for 130 hours in case of crash batch. The same will be taught for little lesser, little more, 140 hours in case of regular batch. Last one. I'm going to conclude with this. The rapid revision batch videos are available for sale in case of CA Inter, where you can finish revising the entire course within just 20 to 30 hours per subject. And the following are the details of the applicable fees. And the conclusion. And the conclusion. You can avail a biggest support from our team. You can avail a biggest support from our team at free of cost. That is free doubts clarification group for CA and CMA inter students, and it is available in Telegram channel. If you can search this in Masterminds for CA CMA inter, Masterminds for CA CMA inter doubts clarification, you can find out this Telegram channel. If possible, I'll leave the link in the description of this YouTube video also. So have a happy learning. All the best. God bless you. Bye. Thanks a lot. Hello, students. I forgot to mention one important thing. It is the CMA Inter Crash Batch. I repeat, the CMA Inter Crash Batch, which is available for just 4,000 rupees, and it is meant for those students who are appearing for both CA Inter and CMA Inter examinations. I mean to say, who are preparing for both CA Inter and CMA Inter. See, this batch is otherwise named as CMA Inter Exclusive Chapters, and is available for 4,000 rupees, and the free material will be sent through courier, and approximately 140 hours of coaching will be given. I repeat, this is available, this is suitable only for those students who are appearing both for CA Inter and CMA Inter. And please do note that this 4,000 is not for the subject alone. I mean to say, this 4,000 is not for a single subject. This 4,000 is for the entire CMA Inter course. Of course, it doesn't cover all the subjects. Sorry, of course, it doesn't cover all the chapters. It covers only the chapters which are not covered in CA Inter. In simple to say, the exclusive chapters covered in CMA Inter, but not in CA Inter. I repeat, in simple to say, the exclusive chapters covered in CMA Inter, but not in CA Inter. Similarly, CMA Foundation Crash Batch is also available for just 2,000 rupees. For just 2,000 rupees. And before you buy these courses, kindly go through the details given in the description. These are the details given in the description. Have a happy learning. And as I requested you, please do share this video with your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done it earlier.